last episode. Alright, it's time. I'm gonna do it.
This was some good crack. This
Yeah.
was some good crack I had.
Oh, hey, you're going off topic. Hey, what's that over there? Over where? Over where? Yeah, I see it too. Let's go explore. Okay, I'll go with him and you two go together and you go by yourself.
Cause you
Hey.
fit. That wasn't me.
Fair enough. Hey guys, do you hear that? Guys, I'm scared.
Let's do some bricks.
Guys, what's that noise? Oh, that is weird.
I think there's someone under here. I hear a view.
Huh.
I see a view.
Open gift, you guys.
These bricks are real.
Hey, is that who I think it is? Hey, what are you doing here?
Watch this.
I think he's dead, you guys. How did this happen? I'm gonna get him to a hospital. Oh, you guys, I feel like something's gonna happen to us.
I feel like something just watching us.
Oh, that hurt.
So
Guys,
I was thinking
the stairs are the only way up.
I'm thinking these drawing us works.